Jinky, what about you? Anong gusto mo as far as Manny is concerned for his boxing career?
Gusto ko lang is I want to pray na God will speak to Manny. What's his
Decision.
decision. Yun lang yung gusto ko, yung ma-realize niya, tsaka marinig niya si God kung ano yung sasabihin sa kanya.
Yeah. Pero kung ikaw, okay sa'yo kung tumigil na siya or ituloy pa niya?
Sige.
Ha? What? Oh, so sweet. But you know, Manny, you're still a champion talaga. I mean, Jinky is so proud of you. What do you want to, and then sabi mo nga, ayaw mo yung umiiyak, ayaw mo malungkot ang tao. What do you want to say to your wife, to your family, to the millions of Filipinos who watched you all over the world, who were so concerned for you at feeling nila parang natalo sila? Anong message mo sa kanila?
Okay man lang umiyak basta yung masaya. Masaya iyak. Okay lang, wala lang problema sa akin dahil okay naman ako.
Yeah.
Nasa kamay ako ng God.
Paano mo nakukuha yung kasiyahan sa gitna ng pagkatalo?
It's only material things. Diba? It's only material things.
Mm-hmm.
In heaven, walang papilar doon. Pantay-pantay tayo lahat. Ha? Yung faith mo, yung relationship mo sa Panginoon is nandyan, as lalo pang tumindi. Kasi karamihan sa mga tao, yung faith nila pagka in good times lang. Di ba? Pagka bad times, katulad sa mga nangyari, katulad ko, yung faith nila nababawasan. Nawawala minsan.
So sa'yo, Manny, I heard you say last night na mas tumaas pa ang faith mo, and you also, Jinky. Why is that? Sa gitna ng masasabi lang, wow, di ba, ang sama ng knockout. Saan mo nakukuha yung paglakas pa ng faith mo?
Hindi mahalaga yung material things eh. Yung mga nakikita natin.
Jinky, you were so positive pa rin last night. You know, you were smiling. Tell us, what do you think of your husband now? Ano yung mga gusto mong masabi sa kanya? And
Our great victory is the life that we are in Christ. Yun ang pinakamahalaga eh. Yung fame and fortune may come and go, but our relationship na
But we are in God.
yeah. Keep the faith and trust God for everything. He has a great plans. So,
yes,
kailangan accept lang lahat.